All I want to do is travel. That's it. I want to learn new cultures. I want to try new foods. I want to meet new people. I want to see this beautiful earth that we call home. Like, that's all I want.
Hi guys, welcome to another vlog. Welcome to Bali, Indonesia. So we are in Bali, and I am so excited to be in Bali, or to like just have a break in general. Hope you guys are all well and hope you guys are all doing amazing. Yes, as you can see by the title of the video, this is going to be my Bali travel vlog. So welcome to the vlog. Welcome to the vlog if you're new here. Welcome back if you're a returning subscriber. How are you? How are you doing? I'm of course doing amazing because baby, we in Bali, Indonesia, and we're about to have a break. Okay, we're about to take some time to relax. So I'm really excited about that. We actually just checked into our hotel, but before that we had a bit of time to kind of kill and to do things before we checked into our hotel. So in the morning we decided to go to breakfast, and we went to the Kynd community, had some pancakes. I had like a egg burger or some form of burger, and then I had some strawberry matcha, which was delicious. And then we got like 2 different smoothies. I think one was like passion fruit and one was like strawberry kisses from what I remember. But it was okay, it was nice, it was cool. Like, you know, something simple, something nice, something chill, really straightforward. So after our breakfast, we wanted to go to Body Works for a spa massage, because you know, what do you do when you come to Bali? You go to spas because guess like that's just what you do. So we went to a spa massage. We actually wanted to go to Body Works, but while we were on the way there, we saw a different spa, and then we decided to go in there. The spa was the massage, I should say, was so good. The place was really neat, very tidy. Like the staff, good service, very like kind, very like, you know, amazing, really nice people. It was actually a new spa, and it opened. Its grand opening was like yesterday, so that was really cool. Yeah, it was really nice. The lady was getting into it. My massage was really good. I felt very relaxed, like very relaxed, yeah, and it was very much needed. So that was a really lovely massage.
And for you, if you take the package egg, the Balinese, the pressure just until medium, yeah?
Oh, okay, yeah.
Just for... And for your miss, the face massage, we have to oil.
Okay.
You can...
Thank you. I'll do honey.
Honey?
Yeah.
Focus area?
Oh,
I'll do
there we go.
honey,
yeah?
Select. No, we choose tropical.
You doing the smell? I say you can smell it, right?
Yeah.
I don't.
And for it, okay with milk, or you prefer with yeah? Oh, okay,
done with the massage and it was so lovely. It was so good. Like, I feel rejuvenated. I feel really nice. Yeah, I also did a face massage. Like, you can do a lot of things. Like, there's like different packages. Like, you can do full body. Well, I did a full body and then I did a like facial massage. But you can do full body. You can do like a feet scrub. I think there's like a medicure place. I don't know, something. There's a lot here. So you can pick like whatever you want to do, and then obviously like they would do it for you. But I feel so nice, so rejuvenated, very relaxing. She was putting her like her body and her elbow into the massage, okay? And I like that. But I had to tell her, man, just a little bit, okay? Just slow down a little bit. Less pressure a little bit, because I don't like a really like hurtful like deep massage, because my body be aching. Like, it hurts my body, so I'm like, yeah. But no, it was really good. Definitely recommend if you're around this area. I'll put the details and the links in the description. So yeah, very relaxing, very soothing, very needed. Feeling so nice, guys. Oh, I need this like every single day. That would be a dream. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you so much. Yeah. Pardon?
Ginger tea?
Oh, ginger tea. Yeah. Thank you.
How was everything?
Oh, very good. Thank you so much. Thank you. Yeah, and then we just kind of like came back to the hotel and just checked in.
Hey, how you doing?
So hot. Whew. Of course, once we checked in, we got our complimentary drinks. This is, I think it's like cucumbers and some sort of like healthy sort of drink. It's obviously has lime. Like, it's giving green juice, but a little bit of like sweetness, and I kind of like it. Cucumbers and some sort of like healthy sort of drink. It always has lime.
Cham leaf,
Yeah.
a bit lime and coconut water.
Thank you.
So it's good for the digestive.
Ooh. Oh, this one's actually nice. It's a bit sweet.
Yeah, that makes sense.
Last time was a bit bitter, I think. At this last time we came here, oh, I forgot to mention, we've actually stayed here before, and the staff was so lovely, and like, it was really nice day, so we decided to stay here again. They said it's good for digestion, so yeah, I'm drinking that because, yeah, I'm drinking it. So yeah, obviously being here means a room tour, villa tour, so let's just get the montage rolling.
Are you ready? Making love and love, skip the wheels so fast, like summer. Who's like fast, then turn up. I'm with the goons and the girls in the back now. I'ma put the windows down and holler. Was there something you wore that caught me, baby? Present, style, and aura. Can I get your name, Miss Lady? Whatever you want, just name it. Girl, let's be honest. The things I would do, you can step out on you, spend all on you. 100 niggas on you, so I spend 1 million on you. No, 1 million on you.
Full of ice.
Just too good to be true. Can't take my eyes over you. Living like having the time. I wanna hold you so much. As long as we're right. And I'll take part of the line. You're just a good to be true. Can't take my eyes over you. I'm going down, listen, you're killing. Just let me go.
So we'll be back around 5 or 10 minutes for the main course.
Yeah. Thank you for that. Morning guys, morning. Skin is glowing. I just had a quick shower and skin is glowing. They're bringing breakfast soon, so we're gonna have breakfast soon. So yeah. Alright guys, I'm moving out of the sun, but morning. I hope you guys are doing amazing today. It's the next day. I didn't even talk much yesterday, but after our massage, I think we came home. No, we didn't. Did we? After the massage, I think we came home, and then we lounged about for a bit. I think we had some food, and then later we got ready to go to a beach club. We went to Luna Beach Club. There's so many beach clubs here, so we just like picked one that I have like a whole list of things that we want to do, or things that we can do. For example, beach club, massages, activities, like little things that we can do. So I have that on like a notes. We kind of like decide what we want to do. So that's like just been a vibe for yesterday. And yesterday was pretty fun. It was pretty packed, and I feel like it was moving fast, so I didn't even get a chance to even speak. We went to Luna Beach Club, had a few drinks, ate some food. It was a vibe, but the music is like dun, 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 dun. And Charlie, me, I'm African, I'm Ghanaian, so we're Ghanaians, we're Africans, so music being dun, 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 dun. I feel like, you know, they need to switch it up a little bit with the music. But people were having fun, like people were like chill. Yeah, they were having fun, they were chill. But I feel like it was a cute little vibe, right? They're like little like different spots within the whole space that you can do little different things at. So it's like a pool, swimming area, there's like a restaurant area, there's like a garden area, so there's like a lot of things that you could do. The food was nice. We had some pizza, like you guys saw what we had. It was nice. We headed back to the villa and then kind of chilled for a bit, and then we went at night time. We went to, because we stayed close to like the Seminyak, like Lavefela. Come in. Morning. So much. Alright guys, so I just had to get a breakfast in, but like I was saying, and then we went to Lavefela. I think that's how you say it. We live like a walking distance from Lavefela, so we just went there for the night, and then there was like another place like opposite it. We just had a few drinks there too. People were outside. It's like, yeah, people were there, and it was just like it was a fun night. It was a fun night. New day, new morning. Yes, happy to be here, and it's just so nice to like just relax. Like I'm just like good. We need the money. Blessings, wealth, health, everything. Happy new month too. But anyways, I'm just gonna eat now because I'm starving. It's like almost 10 o'clock and we haven't eaten. I didn't even think we had food last night, but anyway, I'm starving, so we're gonna eat now. They've just brought breakfast, so we have like fruits, juices, and like Indonesian style rice, I think. I've also got a matcha, even though it's kind of hot. I should have got a cold matcha instead of hot matcha, but anyway, that's fine. So for our activities for today, we're gonna do perfume making at our project. We booked it for 2 o'clock, so if you want to do that, you have to actually book it. I think you can message them on like Instagram and then have your bookings. So we booked it yesterday, and we're going today to do that. And then after, I'm not sure what we're doing, but once we get there, you guys will probably see it anyway. So yeah, that's the plan so far for today. Yeah, honestly, like I said, I didn't even mind like just relaxing and calling it a day, because ciao, it's a holiday to relax. But then also you don't want to come here like just relax and not do anything, you know, you feel me? Yeah. But anyway, I'm gonna eat and catch you guys.
This is for the chicken and this is for the seafood.
The seafood. Okay, perfect. Thank you so much. Thank you. I'm so thirsty. Ooh, it's so hot, but staff here at our villas, they're so nice. Like they go above and beyond. Like they're too nice, they're too kind. It's actually crazy. Yeah, they're really good. So if you want to stay, if you're coming to Bali and you need somewhere to stay, then of course I will recommend Inspira Seminyak. So you should come and stay here if you are coming to Bali. Seminyak, all the vibes. Okay, they're really lovely. They're like go above and beyond. They're just nice people. Okay, I mean, like everyone is kind of nice, to be honest. Everyone's kind of nice, so that's lovely. If you're like traveling and you know the country that you're going to, their people are nice and very respectful and accommodating and very polite. So I think, yeah, it's great. So yeah, everything that I mentioned, I'll have a link down below if you guys want to check it out. But yeah, all right, let's go eat, because girl.
That smile on your face makes it easy to trust you if they
Hi guys, it's nearly 1 and I'm getting ready. Can you guys even see me? I think I might move the camera. Hi guys, I'm just getting ready. So I've just put some sunscreen on because it is so hot. So I'm not even gonna wear like any like makeup or anything because it's hot. Okay, I'm just gonna moisturize my skin. Sorry, the camera angle is not really working, but alright guys, heading out now. Hope you guys can see me, but I'm just wearing this jumpsuit, and then these are my shoes, and I've just got this little bag here, of course body, and then some glasses. Alright, you see these legs? Period. We are heading there now. It is hot. Hey. But I need that bucket hat. I need that bucket hat. I don't know why I didn't bring your other one. Ugh. Oh, damn. Hi guys, we are on our way to our project. I think it's about like half an hour away, so we're just like getting money out of the ATM and then we will be on our way to make some perfume.
Girl, I get the money with you, make you mine. If you're loving every night, you make you mad. Now only you give me love and make me nice, nice, nice. I feel make you mine. Girl, I love you, plus I never make you mine. If I let you smoke it, you gon' lose my lighter. If you paranoid, then I'ma spend the night. Think that I love you every day. Diamond dancing, my money I gon' pay. For your love I gon' pay. It ain't making money, Jason.
Keep it like this because the spray is gonna be like on the last part. So keep it like this. Let it evaporate and smell it. Okay, so always use this one. Yeah. Also, we got a stirrer, this one, for mixing the perfume inside of this one. Also, try the perfume to your skin with this one. Mix, and then try it like this. Yeah. And next one, we do have a coffee beans because you have to smell a lot for today. Every time you feel overwhelmed, every time you cannot smell anything, smell these coffee beans to neutral your noses. Yeah. And the last one, this is the final products. So you will make like a 50 ml bottle that you will bring home today with this bottle. Yeah, you will smell all of this, you will blend, and you will got a 50 ml. And the last one, I think you don't have it yet, but I'll give you this one like that. So this is a sticker. You guys have to give a name for your perfume. I suggest you think about it right now. Many people stuck here for like 15 to 30 minutes to think about this one. I promise you, this one is real hard. Yeah, think about it right now. Okay. More heavy, so they're gonna smell something like florally. And this green tea is not a matcha. This one is just green tea. And it's more like lemony.
I feel like matcha.
Lime? Yeah.
It's very girly.
Yeah, it's very bright like that. Bright and sweet. Like a gin and tonic. If you love gin and tonic, that's why it's like cucumber salad.
No.
Yeah? Oh, good. And now, maybe you can blend with the coconut, with the woods, with the floral, with the fruits, anything with the citrus, you can blend with the bamboo. If you want something complex and clean, you can blend with the bamboo. Yeah? Pretty video? Yeah? Nobody give it?
No.
Me too. Okay, leave it. Good.
Have you even picked one yet?
No.
What is this? What do you think this is?
That's all
No,
good.
but there's so many.
Yeah. Which is your favorite?
So white sandalwood is
One by one,
smell
like
of
this.
Ubud.
That was good. But at least you just like
hint
minimum
of
of
coconut.
3 base notes.
You want
okay?
a hint of
Your perfume will be alright.
I want a little
Yeah?
coconut.
3 base notes, this first up to you. Maybe 3 top notes, 1 hard notes, that's okay. 3 hard notes, this one, if
Also
you can
sweet.
flip again to the next one.
But
If you have
Yeah.
our
the
hard
vanilla
notes,
and the
yeah.
Loving us. All of
Give
us.
me a run for my money. There is nobody, no. Give me a run for my money. Spend bubbly, feeling lovely.
On your skin? Or if you guys want
Okay,
very sweet.
Do I look beautiful?
Thank
you. Okay, I'll smell it.
Pretty good, yeah. And we do
On my skin?
men's always do this one because this one, they find it smells like a good cake because they're like
Let the alcohol.
I will love. I will love. I get baby. Go by me so. But you go see me. I know man. Waiting to go to. The way I take you. You really think me love. I ain't love. Baby love. Go by me so. But you go see me.
Alright guys, we're done with our perfume making and we got our little perfume. How cute. Mine's like a coconutty, vanilla-y one. I hope it dries down good and it smells good. So we're just now trying to find some food to eat because we are starving. Ah, it is hot. Jeez, please. Is there any food here? Is that food there?
You want to try local food? Where's the spots that the African place?
Okay. Alright guys, we are getting something to eat. We are Afrokana. Hi. Good, thank you. Oh yeah. We are Afrokana for some Nigerian food. This is the menu.
Can we order?
Chicken pie, definitely plantain, right? Any more sugar? It's giving Ghana sobolo. Morning guys, morning. It's the next day. We've gotten up, had some breakfast, like got ready and stuff like that, and we are heading out to do a few activities for the day. We're planning to do what are you planning to do? Go to the temples, go to the monkey garden, also do some like is it AVT riding? Or whatever riding? So ATV, AVT, whatever riding. So we're heading out to grab our taxi. Those are the 3 on the list. If anything else comes up, then we'll definitely do it. But that's the agenda for today. So yeah, yesterday we went to the African restaurant, and then when we were coming, I didn't even think I spoke to the camera after. But that food was really good actually. We might actually go back today. So the jollof and every chicken, suya, plantain. The plantain felt like a real plantain, not frozen plantain back in Australia. So that was like, it was really sweet, very nice. The whole thing is like a Nigerian, I think, but the jollof and the food was giving a little bit of like Bali inspiration, like a little mix of like a hint of Bali like taste and cuisine and stuff like that. Yeah, so that was really nice. The suya chicken was busted. Ooh, the suya chicken was so good. So if you're definitely like in Bali, I would definitely recommend that restaurant. We might go back today. But the beef suya was good, but it was a little spicy. Like there was a lot of spice on it, and there was a lot of spice. They had also like zobo. I think in Nigeria they call it zobo, but we call it sobolo. That was good, but I needed for me, a bit of like sugar and like a bit of ginger for me, like the Ghana way. But it was still tasty. And then we had like pepper goat meat, which was actually really nice. The goat was soft, the veg, like everything was just nice. After we came back from the African restaurant, we were tired, so we just like literally crashed in bed, and that was it. We didn't even go out yesterday because we were just so tired. So yeah, I don't know what order in which we're going to do it in, but we're going to do those things. I literally have not been wearing like a lot of makeup because it's just hot. So I'm just like, you know what, I'm just going to use I'm just not going to do any makeup because it's just hot. He's already there. There's one walking there. Alright guys, we're done with our ATV and we're at the Monkey Gardens. I can literally see one and I'm literally scared. That was fun though.
Yeah, it was. So good. Thank you.
Oh, it's cold.
It's what?
It's cold.
Yeah, it's cool enough for you though.
Yeah. Hi guys, we are back from eating and all that kind of jazz, and I'm so tired. Like the heat, I think I was sleeping in the car at one point. The ATV was so fun. Oh my gosh. If you're in Bali and you're like looking for activities, I'll definitely recommend that. It's really fun. I was scared to drive by myself, so we used one car, like one truck thing. But it was fun though. I definitely recommend it. Went back to the African restaurant, the Afrokana restaurant. Just got the same thing, jollof, chicken, suya. I got a coconut order, and what else did we get? The peppered goat meat, which was really nice too. So yeah, and then we're home now. So I think I'm gonna get in the pool and it's like chill. Yeah, just chill music, and then maybe if we do something later on, I might pick up the camera. But if not, if I'm tired and like clocking out, then I guess I'll see you guys tomorrow. But if we do anything, I'll pick you guys up. And yeah, our staff, like the people here, they're so nice. Water, like the bedrooms are remade, water is refilled, drinks are refilled. Like they are like on service. If you call them, they will come and get you whatever you need to get. Like they are literally on service. So if you're here in Bali, stay at Inspira, Seminyak, and just have the best time, you know. I'm so tired, but yeah, catch you guys soon. Bye.